An explanation of the Mills Act in less than 90 seconds. The Mills Act is a tax abatement program for historic properties enacted by the state in 1972. Adopted by the city of Long Beach in 1993, over 100 contracts have been awarded locally to date. Contracts provide up to a 50% reduction in property taxes for a period of 10 years, with the money saved intended for restoration, repairs, and replacement of historic exterior features and fixtures. Contributing properties within designated historic districts, as well as designated historic landmark properties, are eligible to apply for the Mills Act program. Historia Design and Consulting assisted the Walker Building in obtaining their Mills Act contract in 2020 by authoring the work plan for repairs and restoration to the wooden windows, original neon building signage, decorative plaster, and other historic architectural features. Whether you have a historic multi-use property like the Walker Building, a beautiful Spanish revival, an elegant Victorian, a cozy craftsman bungalow, a multi-family stylized ranch house, a mid-century modern gem, or one of the many other historic styles, we can handle your Mills Act application and work plans, as well as historic landmark designation applications and documents. Contact us today for more information and for help determining if your property is eligible to apply for the Mills Act program. Call us at 562-247-1635. At Historia Design and Consulting, your project is our passion.